You wake up in the morning and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. Today is our Weather Wednesday, and we have something fun planned for you. But first, let's look at the date. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. Today's the 6th of May. Always on Wednesdays, we look at the weather. We've looked at what to wear when it's raining, what to wear when it's hot. We've even looked at how to look at a weather forecast. But today, we're going to look at the seasons, the 4 different seasons. There's winter, there's spring, there's summer, and there's fall. But what does that mean? Today, we're going to figure it out. Today, we're going to look at the 4 different seasons, and we're going to figure out what that season looks like, what it feels like, and what you can wear during that season to stay comfortable. Are you ready to learn with me? Nice. Let's go together.
All right, here we are. I'm ready to teach you all about the seasons. Are you ready to learn all about the seasons? Great. Let's do it. We're going to start by talking about the months in the year. So there are 12 different months in the year. There's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There's 12 months in the year, but there's only 4 seasons. And they're kind of split up just like this. The winter months include January, February, and March. The spring months include April, May, and June. The summer months include July, August, and September. And the autumn or fall months include October, November, and December. Nice! But what does that even mean? It means that it's going to be a little bit different of temperature during those times. Here you can see that there's 4 different pictures, and each one of these pictures represents one of the seasons that we're talking about. Let's start by looking up spring. Spring is the season we're in right now. Spring is when all the flowers start to come out and you see more butterflies and you see more insects and the birds are out and it's a little bit warmer. Do you see any of our pictures that look like spring with the flowers coming out? You're right. This bottom picture right here shows the flowers coming out and they show the butterflies. It's also a nice warm day and the grass is growing. It's a nice, beautiful spring day. Now, let's see if you can find the next season. The season after spring is summer. Summer is when it's really hot. Lots of people like to go to the beach or the pool. Summer is also when we normally just have short time at school during summer school. Do you see any pictures where it looks really hot and maybe you're at the beach? Right. This top picture, it's summertime. There's palm trees. They're at the beach. It's nice and warm. That's summer. The season after summer is fall. Fall is sometimes called fall or sometimes it's called autumn, and it's when you see the leaves coming off of the trees. It's normally still a little bit warm, but it's starting to get colder. Do you see any pictures where the leaves are coming off the trees? Right, in this picture right over here. It's fall. Last, we have winter. Winter is when it gets really cold. In some places, it'll even snow. It doesn't snow here, but we can see snow in the mountains. Do you see any pictures with snow where it's wintertime? Right, this bottom picture shows the wintertime. Nice work.
For this next part, we're going to look at each of the seasons one at a time. We're going to look at what the season looks like, what it feels like, and what clothes we can wear during that time.
All right, here we go. This is our image of spring. Spring is the season we're in right now. May is part of spring. Lots of flowers start to bloom during springtime. Springtime is also when you might see lots of new baby animals running around. Sometimes there's baby rabbits or baby squirrels. But here you can see spring looks like bright colors and new flowers. Here's some people wearing clothes during springtime. As you can see, both the girl and the boy are wearing pants. They have pants on and then they have a t-shirt or a tank top on because it's not too hot and it's not too cold in spring. That's perfect. Let's take a look and see what Miss Sabrina's wearing right now for spring.
Here is my nice springtime outfit. I'm wearing tennis shoes, jeans, and a nice t-shirt. My t-shirt has flowers just like springtime. This outfit will help me feel nice and good when it's not too hot and it's not too cold during springtime.
Now we're looking at summer. Oh, summer's hot, but summer's really pretty too. Summer, you have lots of green leaves, lots of sunshine, blue skies. Summer's when a lot of people like to go to the beach or the pool because it's hot. Look at these pictures show our friends at the beach. It's a good time to wear a swimsuit if you're going to be near the water, or you might also wear a t-shirt and shorts. Here you can see that the girl model is wearing a t-shirt and she's wearing a pretty skirt. That will keep her nice and cool when it's hot out. This gentleman's wearing a t-shirt with shorts. You can also choose to wear sandals, or maybe you choose to wear tennis shoes. Let's take a look at what Miss Sabrina's wearing for her summer outfit.
For summertime, I'm wearing a summer dress. This dress will help me stay nice and cool even when it's hot outside.
Now we're going to look at the fall. Remember, fall or autumn comes after summer. During fall, you'll see lots of leaves start to change colors on the trees and fall off. That's why it's called fall. These leaves often turn yellow or an orange color, just like these leaves. Whoa! I did not mean to get so close to that leaf. Let's go to the next page. Here you can see our friends are dressed up for fall time or autumn. Do you notice that the leaves are still falling? Sometimes it also rains a little bit in autumn time. That's why they had their umbrellas. Both of them are wearing coats because it starts to get a little bit colder during autumn or fall. Here are some people dressed up for the fall. Both the man and the woman are wearing pants to help them stay warm. They both also have tennis shoes on or boots. It's not really a good time to wear sandals anymore. And both are also wearing a type of sweater to help them stay warm. But they don't need a big jacket because it's not too cold. Fall is kind of like spring. It's not too hot and it's not too cold.
Now I'm wearing my autumn or fall time outfit. I have boots on, I have jeans on, and I have a nice sweater. The sweater will keep me warm when it starts to get cold. But remember, in fall, it's not too hot and it's not too cold.
The last season we're going to look at is winter. During winter time, it starts to get cold. During winter, all those leaves have fallen off. Here's our little animated friends during the winter time. Now they're wearing bigger jackets. Sometimes you also wear a beanie or gloves or a scarf when it's cold out. Here's our friends dressed up for winter time. Now they're both wearing some kind of boots to stay warm. They both have pants on too to keep their legs warm. They're both wearing a sweater, and they both have a jacket on top of their sweater. They have more layers because it's cold out. You can see in these pictures, it's not actually snowing, but it's still cold. In the wintertime, it gets cold. Let's see what Miss Sabrina looks like when she's all dressed up for the winter time.
Now I'm dressed for winter. I have boots on, jeans on, a sweater on, a beanie on, and a jacket on that has no hood, and a jacket on. I have lots of clothes on because in winter it's cold outside.
Let's review one more time. How many seasons are there? That's right, there's 4 seasons. Summer, fall, spring, and winter. 4 seasons. Right now, we are in the season of spring. We're in spring because it's May time, and May is in spring. After May, it will be June. June is still mainly part of spring. And then we start summer. July, August, and September are mainly in summertime. And then we'll have autumn. Autumn is when Halloween is, in October, November, and December. And then we start winter time, which is mainly in January, February, and March. There you have it. We have 4 seasons. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.